How to view Venmo's transaction history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find your Venmo's transaction history on your app. First thing you have to do is open up your Venmo app and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Your homepage should look something like this. And then from here, you want to head straight over to the Me section because there you'll be able to find your transaction history. So tap on the Me section, and then if you scroll down a bit, it will show you all of the available transactions that you recently did. And if you want to find older transactions, you could do that as well. Just keep scrolling until you find the one that you need. And in order to view the further details, you can just tap on the transaction and it will show you when the payment was made, when whom it was to, and the status of the payment and all of these stuff, along with the transaction ID as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you view your Venmo's transaction history. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.